welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Toshiba MicroSDHC UHS-I card. Now this card is rated for 100 megabytes per second transfer speed. That's because it is UHS-I and the capacity happens to be 16 gigabytes. Now on the front side, we can see obviously the Toshiba branding, the form factor of microSD card, as well as a little authenticity sticker that tells you that this product is indeed genuine. And if you're wondering about the model number, that's on the bottom, M203. This thing is being advertised for Android smartphones, for full HD video recording. That's because of the high speed. So full HD obviously means a lot more resolution, which means more bandwidth required for transfer. It's also rated to be waterproof and shockproof. And on the bottom, you also have the class specification for the speed. So it's rated for UHS speed class 1, as we saw previously. And in terms of micro SD cards, it's class 10. On the back side of the packaging, you can see some more information. They've advised you to check the device manual for MicroSDHC card compatibility and capacity. You can get that at a URL that's also stated over here. Then they've given specifications, which gives us the operating temperature of -25 to 85 degrees Celsius, approximate usable capacity of 14.4 gigabytes, and read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second. Then there are a couple of notes telling you about how gigabytes are actually calculated and the reasoning for getting 14.4 GB on a 16 GB card. Then you have the importer and manufacturer's contact information. Aside from that, you don't have anything else of importance. What we see over here is what we saw on the front. There's only one additional feature that they would like to highlight, that this thing happens to be X-ray proof. So let's go ahead and open it up. They've given a nice dotted line at the top for us to cut the package open. There's a little plastic pouch on the inside with the microSD card in it. You can also see the manual on the inside. You can see a lot of text. So there's the manual on one side and also some information regarding the warranty on the other side. We'll tear this open to give you a closer look at that. Now they've provided a nice tab at the top right corner for you to open the packaging. There's a little bit of plastic backing or tape attached, which you can peel off. So on the memory card, you can see the Toshiba branding, the model number, that is M203, capacity of 16 GB, and the speed class rating of UHS-I. It's a MicroSDHC card, that means high capacity, and it seems that's about it. On the reverse, you can see the contact pins, which are shiny golden in color, and the file format actually, that is the form factor, is the same MicroSD. So it will be compatible with practically anything that uses the MicroSD form factor. That's it for this unboxing of the Toshiba MicroSDHC UHS-I card. Thank you for watching.